Amigos, here are your directions for today, March 24th. So first thing I need you to do is fill out the communication form. Let me know how you're doing on these conjugations. Rate yourself from 5 and tell me what, if anything, you're struggling on, and click the purple submit button for me. And then you're going to do the practice for your conjugations. We've got Conjugamos, which is a practice website. So you'll click the link here to get started, and you're going to practice for at least 10 minutes. And in here, you've got several different things you can do. You can do just plain old graded practice, where it gives you a verb and you conjugate it for that subject. So to eat is comer, so I would conjugate it comen, and then I would check it to see if I'm right. Or you can play games to practice your conjugations if you'd prefer. So some of them are multiplayer. If you and a friend are playing at the same time, you can do those. You can play against the computer on a couple of these too if you'd like to, like Battleship. There's also the frog game. There's crosswords, memory. For the frog game, you click the space bar in order to get the correct conjugation. So I'm looking for the vosotros form of hablar. So I'm going to wait until hablais comes by, or I could move the arrow keys to move my frog. And when I see the correct conjugation, I'm going to hit the space bar to get that fly. You can do that game or any of the other games, or just the regular graded practice if you'd like to. And then you're going to come back to Schoology, click submit assignment, and not just type done. You're going to tell me what activities you did to practice. And then you're going to do an assignment to practice your conjugation. So here we have filling in the blanks with different forms of your verbs. So for this whole question, all 5 of these, you're choosing the form of contestar that fills in the blank. For this next one, you're filling the blank in with a form of usar, so choose them from the drop-down menu. For this one, you're using llegar, but now you're typing, so you have to type in the conjugations. This one uses necesitar, and etc. So we've got some that'll give you the drop-down arrows, some of them where you have to type them in, but you're using the same verb for all 5 conjugations on that slide. And once you're all done with that, you'll submit it, and make sure you check your answers to see how well you did, and you can attempt it a second time if you'd like to. We are quizzing over this on Friday, so make sure you're practicing up, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Adios.